No problem. All right, so we're gonna go ahead. My honey told me not to take video the other way, so I gotta.
Get the phone vertical. You gotta take your phone horizontal.
I didn't know. All right, I'm gonna go to the gym, and my honey's gonna go walk.
Yeah.
So I gotta do cardio. I gotta run, and I gotta burn some of these calories.
I gotta burn some calories too.
Yeah.
And the reason that I'm gonna walk and my honey's gonna do the gym treadmill, because our apartment complex, there's only one treadmill that works.
It's tiny and it sucks.
And there's only one treadmill.
And I like to run, but not out here, 'cause it's hot.
And I like walking outside.
All right, baby. Love you too.
Love you.
Y'all don't get no see no smooching. All right, bye. Take care.
So I just left my honey. He's going to go in the gym and do a workout, and I'm going to do a quick walk outside. And like I said, it's because my husband wouldn't mind me getting on the treadmill, but I enjoy being outdoors more than he technically does. Besides when he goes to work and stuff like that, then he doesn't mind being outside. Or when he gets off, he likes to kind of be in the air condition, which I understand because he mainly works construction, so I get it. And because I work from home, it's a little more easier for me to come outside because I'm ready. I'll be ready to just come out and get a walk in and just burn some calories, look at my step meter, and just try to stay healthy, stay in shape, because I'm out of shape right now, as y'all probably have already noticed. But that's okay, because I won't be out of shape forever. And I thank God that I have mobility, that I have strength, that I feel good. So, there's no issues there. But I do want to get more fit. And I enjoy doing cardio and exercise and just trying my best to stay as healthy as possible, eat as healthy as possible, and things of that nature. So I'm just going to get a little walk in. I made my honey to go to Planet Fitness like 3 to 4 times a week. But it's a Monday, so we're not going today. But we are getting our exercise in just around the apartment complex. Honey, what are you doing? Look at I spotted somebody over there, look. My honey's over there. I guess he got locked down on the other side. But yeah, like I was saying, we're just trying to stay in shape, get some exercise, and do the best we can to stay as healthy as possible. And I hope you all are doing the same. I hope that y'all are, there's a little lake right there. I hope that y'all are also trying to stay in shape and, treat your body right. And just give it the energy that it needs. Fuel it with the right things. Exercise, eating healthy. Make sure your mental health is okay. Make sure you're doing all right. Staying positive. Staying in your Bible, because we believe in God and we are Christians, so we keep our spiritual health right. Emotionally, we check in and make sure we're okay. And we just keep going. So I encourage y'all to do the same. And I'm going to finish my walk out here. Just meditate on the Lord and just enjoy this walk, and we'll check back in with y'all. God bless. While I'm walking and I'm spotting my honey again, so obviously he either didn't get into the gym or something is going on. Look who it is. Honey, what is going on?
I don't like this thing. They're all closed. They can't even get access to it. It's so lame.
You can't get in?
No. None of the car doesn't work. They have a thing wrapped around it. How are people supposed to get into the gym?
Oh goodness.
Yeah, it's so lame. That's why I don't like. I'm getting tired of apartments. That's fine.
All right. They got us locked out, so
yeah, I'm just gonna walk with you.
we're gonna walk together. Me and my honey together.
All right, let's start
forever.
running. Let's start running.
Honey, we start running.
10-minute run.
Man, that sucks.
Yeah.
So you couldn't. So that's why you couldn't. The key won't work in anything.
Yeah. There's a guy in there. He probably jumped the fence.
He probably jumped over the fence. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to get in trouble.
So yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna do the right thing. But we're paying for amenities that we don't even have.
No, it's so lame. I don't like it. But nowadays, most apartments are like that. And they're all supposed to be luxury. I'm gonna say luxury hotels, luxury apartments. But I don't know. That's why getting even like just like a house would be better. But even houses are so expensive. Yeah.
Everything's expensive.
Yeah.
Just gotta save up. Keep saving and praying.
Yep. People
no swimming allowed. I don't know if y'all can see that sign over there. It says, hold on. I don't know if I can zoom in or not. I don't think it's gonna let me zoom in. I don't know, for some reason, not let me zoom in, but yeah. It says, if y'all can zoom in on your thing, it says no swimming allowed. So we aren't able to swim. Can't get into the gate on either side. So that means can't use the gym or any of the other amenities or anything like that. So, but it's okay.
Yeah, that's fine. Just gonna walk it out.
Yeah, we can walk on the sidewalk. Just walk. Okay, so dinner's almost ready. Got some bread here. Making some bread. Got some greens. And I have some turkey wings that I already boiled, and I'm air frying it. And yeah, so I'll be fixing my honey's plate soon. Everything's almost ready. I'm making, don't judge my bread, y'all. I'm making Outdoor Boys style type bread. So if you ever seen Outdoor Boys, you know what this is. You know what that is. And let's put my wings in the air fryer. Yeah, they're looking pretty done. Turkey wings. And I have my spinach with greens. Yep, I'm about to start plating it in just a few minutes. So I just got done with my honey's food. The finished product. Again, this is the Outdoor Boys bread with some cinnamon sugar on it, spinach, turkey wings. Now, I always serve my honey first. So I'm gonna serve him, and then I'm gonna come back and fix my own food. Honey, you ate it all.
That's the case with any fish. If you buy shit fish, they're never going to be good. So if you
Don't
buy
show my hairy legs.
I'm not.
from the store that cares like we do, you should never have issues. So yeah, angels are great.
I'm showing your plate empty.
Next,
And bones.
endless.
That's good.
Oh yeah.
Delicious.
Okay, so these are already got
Delicious.
nuts. These are endless.
Yeah,
They're
she also thank you,
probably
honey.
my favorite equivalent
You're
to
welcome,
guppies. When a lot of
You're
people
welcome.
get into this hobby,
Love
they
you.
think instantly beginner fish, guppies,
And I still
swordtails, platies, things like
love
that. There's a reason I haven't mentioned them.
Love you,
and
honey.
I find
Just tear it up.
that just for
Tear it
some
up.
reason, I'm
So my honey and I just got done eating, and we're going to relax for the rest of the day. And we just wanted to close out, tell y'all we appreciate y'all. Thank y'all for all the support, all the love. My honey is full. Look.
Talk. That's love right there. That's love right there.
So yeah, so we're going to enjoy the rest of our evening. And yeah, so thank y'all for supporting and watching.
Thanks for watching.
Make
guys.
sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below. Let us know how you're liking the videos. My honey's gonna be recording. He's gotten excited. If y'all know, y'all watched some of I think the first or second video. He was kind of subconscious about videoing because it's his first time doing vlogs. But now he's like hyped up. Like, I'm gonna start videoing. So
My honey hyped me up. She inspired me.
Look, he's inspired now to do videos.
Nah,
So
it's just something we gotta get used to and like good at. You know,
Yeah.
just as like anything, just like work. You do it. The more you do it, the better you get at it. And
all right. God bless y'all.
God bless you guys.
Until the next video.
Peace.
Peace.
That's all right.
Okay, we just messed up our ending because we didn't say peace out to the
Peace out, Kingdom Crew.
peace out, Kingdom Crew.